Hi everyone. Now we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 9. The name of chapter is Algebraic Expression and Identities. Ta hanzo chapter guwa di start chen ra zira gewa ji. Lob sen guwa di. Ta lob sen ki ming la khar la algebraic expression and identities ra. Ta question thangbo de la khar li na first question arise here what actually the expression is ra. Expression la na khala khande chik la la expression lana khande chigla la horra ta pena cha shanata 3x plus 5 3x plus 5 दिखा रहे expression र 3x दिए करे expression र this is an expression र 3x plus 5 is a term gazo do nida this positive sign differentiate the first term and the second term, and this there are two terms, and here 3x it is a term, one term, and this is an expression, right? The expression how goes it? Next we are going to learn what actually equation is. The equation lana khande chig la or pena shana expression 3x plus 5 the expression ra on the kala equal to 9 do law ina. Now this is an equation the khande char lana this equal to sign kya cha hota 3x plus 5 left hand side la do 9d right hand side la do equal to sign the khar chongol na equation chongol equal to 9d ha go see. Now next topic is term. The term lana khande chigla la gor ra term lana khande chigla la gor pena chashana 3 ni la sa dhanchi 3x re 2 lane re ra 5y lane re all these are term. This is a one term. 3x khora kare term chigre gangsan yam duro 3 loga x loga mare 3x is in multiplication, so this is a one term. 2 itself is a one term and 5y is a term itself. Goes to say the terms tata penishashana 7xy ra plus 8x plus 8 ra this is an expression, right? This is an expression. 7xy plus 8x plus 8 is an expression, right? Now what are the terms of an expression? Terms khari khari dular. So terms of this expression, the terms of this expression, the expression dinalla terms khari khari dular. So we have a 7xy ra 7xy di korang hare 7xy korang hare term chikre ra 8x korang hare term shembare 8 korang hare term chikre. So all these are terms of this given expression. Go to say okay. Now we are going to learn what actually factor is, right? Factors lana khalor penchashana term chik penchashana 3x di korang khare 3x is a term, right? But how this 3x will form? What are the factors of 3x? So number 3 is a factor and x is a factor which combine together and makes a factor, right? This is a term and the distribution of term the x ni combine chine factor chik cheda. So go to say 3x is a factor. Penchashana one more example 7xy. Now 7xy is a term, one term, and we can read it as a 7xy together, right? One term. The 7xy ki factor khar khar yorla na 7x there is a 7 itself x is a factor, y itself is a factor. Go to say the factors lana khala or go to say the pension 2 is a term. The 2 ki factor khare gare lana 1 and 2. 1 2 is a 2, right? Multiplication of 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 is a factor. Go to say the factor page go to ingire. Our next we are going to learn the coefficient. The coefficient lana khala orta. The coefficient lana khala orta numeric factor la. Any term which has a number factor is known as a coefficient. Ra. Any correct? Any term which has a number factor is known as coefficient. Coefficient lana khala olana numeric factor chigreler, number factor chigreler. The coefficient nanglo kharlana any term khande chiginaler which has number factor koreler, number factor. The penchashanata, for example, 7x, right? This is a term, right? Any term, this is 7x is a term which has a number factor. So 7 is a number, right? X ki coefficient dikha rahe na 7 ra. Therefore, coefficient we can write as coefficient of x is 7. The coefficient lana khande chigla la lana any term which has a number factor is known as a coefficient. Ra. Tata penashana 9yz lana. The coefficient of z ka jikhar chalna 9y cheda. Sheza coefficient ra FICIENT. The coefficient of y ki coefficient is 9z. Pension coefficient of z ki chat hoy na, and similarly khachel na coefficient of z is 9y. Go to say the coefficient lana khande to chigla la or go to say. Okay, the page terms then so go to ingire manzo khar deshe gain lana expression deshe gare equation lana khala ore terms lana khala ore the factors lana khande chigla kho lengore ra coefficient lana khande chigla la or page go to ingire ta. Okay, now our next topic is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Our next topic is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Binomial lana khala ore ra. Okay, first is monomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Okay, the monomial lana khande chigla la gore, binomial lana khande chigla la gore,